Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So I was held up with some personal work, so I couldn't post any videos for the last 2 or 3 trading session. Not trading session, 2 or 3 days. Now I want to share with you one thing that we did in our Telegram group. That is, I posted this thing in our Telegram group on 19th of June. I was planning to execute a trade. The trade was very simple. That is, we will sell 15,700 call option and 16,000 call option. I don't want to. This strategy was a very simple strategy. And when the market was around 15,200, we did this strategy. So if you can see this, when I did this strategy, 15,700 call was trading at around 21 rupees, and 16,000 call option was trading at around 4 rupees. Now it is trading at 60 rupees, and even today morning this trade was in a loss of around 32,000, but still I am holding that. My problem will come once the market moves around 15,717. So this is what I believe. Now I believe that the market might not go above 15,700. Now you may ask why it will not go above 15,700. That is the obvious question, right? Now there are two, three things we should observe from here. That is, if you see this chart, this is the Nifty daily chart. This area was a very long-term support, which was 15,700. So we saw on March Nifty touched 15,700, then it came all the way to 18,200, right? 18,200, then it came in the mid of May, then we reverted back around, we touched 16,000, this is 16,800K, right? Now, I feel this is going to be for now a good resistance. That is why I planned this trade around 15,700. I sold 15,700. Now, you may ask, but the market has come from when I executed this trade, it was 15,000, market was at 15,700. But once I executed this trade, market drastically came around. Market rallied today alone. It rallied more than 300 or 400 points and came to 15,700. Still, I believe that this trade may work out. And even though market has rallied around 300 or 400 points on the upside, still I believe that market might have some resistance at 15,700. Now around 2:30 to 3 o'clock, market was trying to close above. I think today's high was around 15,700, 7 or 10, I think. Then market came down, closed at 15,622. Now there are few things which can affect this thing. Now if you see here, even though US futures are trading in the green, there are some proxies which are not in favor of market. Like if you see here, this is 10-year bond yield, which is in a very lifetime high, around 3.27. It's not at 3.27, it's above 3.3. That is regarded as high. So smart money is moving the money towards bonds. And if you see, still FIIs are selling in huge numbers. Today also, as I talk to you, FIIs have sold around maybe 2,701 crores. So that's a huge number. It's not a huge number. They have been selling in a huge volume, but still they are selling. Now what I think is, we have just given them an opportunity for them to short the market. Now last week everyone was talking that market may touch 14,000, 12, 13,000, even 12,000, right? Now, and even many people were talking about recession. In fact, I was also talking about recession, right? Now what they are saying is that the market has bottomed and the market may reverse. Now how like if you see the US market has gone down by, if you see Dow has gone by down by 22%, Nasdaq, S&P, Nasdaq has gone by 30%, but still we have gone down less than 15%. Now, how do you regard this as a bottom? I don't think this is going to be a bottom. Whatever happened is just a relief rally. That's what I think. Now, I may go wrong. And not only this is also not the reason. If you see the open interest also, there is a significant call rating at 15,700. So let me refresh. Yeah, this is the this is a sensible account. This is 15,700 is having the highest open interest, not 15,700. And apart from 16,000, 15,000 is having one of the highest open interest. So I may go wrong, right? 15,700, I think 15,700 tomorrow can be a good resistance. Let us see how things pan out. And maybe market may gap up tomorrow. If it gap ups, then we will be in trouble, right? Now the question is, everything is okay. These and all are very, very simple things, and everyone can do these things. Now, if you ask me the question, what are you going to do? What are you going to do if the market moves above 15,000? Now, what I've done is, when the market moved from 15,200 today, from yesterday, I sold 15,000 put option, 15,100 put option, 15,200 put option, and even 15,300 put option. And we have made some decent profit in that put options which we have sold. And we are in good profit. In fact, actually this week, since Friday, we made a decent profit. When the market dropped also, we sold some naked call option. Now also we sold some naked call option. And to be honest, that is working for now. But if there is any big gap up, any gap down or gap up, we'll be in trouble. That's how it is working. Not only me, even our people who follow us on mentorship program made excellent money. Till now we have made around 7.28%, and let's say you deduct some 1% from slippages, still we made 6.5% return for the June series alone. So if you want, you can check that on the link in the description below. And that's what I'm saying, that we have a strong belief that the market may not rally further. So 300-400 points movement in just one trading session is just pathetic, and we know this has been the normal case. And when our market closed, US futures was around 450 points. Now it is firmly in the green. Dow Jones is firmly in the green. So let's see how things pan out. I may go wrong as well. So even if I go wrong, I have made decent profit in this put option. So we will try to manage that position. So I don't see any, I believe 15,700 could be a good resistance. Now there are options also. Now what we can do, if the market gaps up tomorrow and let's say it opens above 15,700, what I can do is, maybe I can sell 15,000 put option. I already have 15,700 call option. Now I can sell 15,700 put option, and maybe I will square off 16,000, which will be in profit. Then we will continue this as a straddle. So Wednesday, Thursday, only 2 more trading session, and there will be a good theta decay in favor of me. So that is the plan as of now. And when it comes to Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty was not performing today. So if I change this to 5 minutes chart, if you see here, there was a very big drag in Bank Nifty. I think 33,600 is going to be a good resistance. Now, in case if the Bank Nifty is not able to take this 33,600, what I will plan, like tomorrow we can see. Now what I'm planning is, in case Bank Nifty is flat tomorrow, or maybe 150 points gapping up, what I am planning is, I am planning to sell maybe 34,000. Let me show you. It's a very simple strategy. What I planned is, I will sell 33,500 and buy 34,000 call option. 33,500 call option and 34,000 call option tomorrow. And as of now, this is 119 rupees, but maybe tomorrow, even if it gaps up, it will trade at around 120 rupees, or this will be maybe more than 120 rupees. So if it gaps down tomorrow, it will trade at around 100 rupees. So let's see how things pan out tomorrow. So as of now, I strongly believe there is huge resistance on the upside. Even if 15,700 is taken, there will be a good resistance at 16,000. So let's see how things pan out. Nothing much. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.